Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Polycom VVX 500 business phone on the market. The Polycom VVX 500 is a 12-line business media phone designed to elevate your office communication experience with a sleek design and robust features. Starting with its display, the VVX 500 boasts a bright 3.5-inch TFT touchscreen with a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels. This screen supports USB cameras for video conferencing, making it ideal for businesses that want seamless video communication without needing separate equipment. Alongside this, the phone supports up to 12 line appearances, so managing multiple calls and extensions is straightforward and efficient. One of the standout features of the VVX 500 is its support for HD voice, delivering crystal-clear audio up to 14 kHz on all audio paths. Whether you're on a handset, headset, or speakerphone, you can expect superior sound quality. It also supports RJ9 USB headsets, allowing flexible options for hands-free communication. The phone is equipped with hard keys for essential functions like home, mute, and volume, making navigation quick and user-friendly. Connectivity options are also impressive. The VVX 500 includes 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, allowing it to integrate easily into your network setup with high-speed connections. There are 2 USB 2.0 host ports, perfect for attaching accessories like headsets or storage devices. Additionally, it supports expansion modules for those who need even more programmable keys or functionality on their phone. Power options are flexible as well. The phone supports Power over Ethernet, or POE, which means it can receive power and network connectivity through a single cable. However, it's important to note that the power supply is not included with the phone, so you'll need to acquire it separately if you don't have POE available. In terms of design, the VVX 500 has a professional black and silver finish that fits well in any modern office environment. It is a corded phone powered by a lithium-ion battery and measures about 14.3 inches long, 10 inches wide, and 4.8 inches high, giving it a solid presence on your desk without taking up too much space. The Polycom VVX 500 is built to support streaming media and video playback, which is a great addition for businesses that rely on multimedia for communication and presentations. Its full WebKit browser support lets users access web apps directly from the phone, enhancing productivity without needing a computer. Overall, the Polycom VVX 500 is a comprehensive business phone designed to meet the demands of busy professionals. It combines advanced audio quality, video conferencing capabilities, multiple line handling, and strong network connectivity in a stylish and sturdy package. Whether you're upgrading an existing phone system or outfitting a new office, this model delivers a reliable and feature-rich communication solution. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this overview helpful, be sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and insights on the latest tech products.